Ready to turn your Payoneer earnings into local cash seamlessly? Here's your foolproof guide to withdrawing funds directly to your bank account. First things first, log into your Payoneer account. Once you're in, locate and click on the Withdraw to Bank option, usually found in the main dashboard or under a Money menu. Next, you'll need to select your destination. Choose the To Bank Account option. If you haven't already, you'll be prompted to add your bank account details, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once added, make sure you select the correct bank account from the list provided where you want to receive the funds. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Payoneer will clearly display any associated fees based on the currency and your withdrawal method, so you'll know exactly how much you're sending and what the cost is upfront. Carefully review all the details, the amount, the fees, and the selected bank account. This is your chance to catch any errors before they happen. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm Withdrawal button. After confirmation, your withdrawal request is processed. While the exact timing can vary depending on your bank and region, typically funds arrive within a few business days. You'll receive an email confirmation from Payoneer once the withdrawal is initiated. Remember to keep an eye on your bank account. Fees can vary, so it's always wise to check Payoneer's official fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. And that's it. Your money from Payoneer is now yours to spend directly from your local bank.